Hello, superstars. Once again, you're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this short video, I'm going to analyze V51S rather with you. Right, so let's get started. Now, let me look at the market on the daily time frame. All right, based on the daily time frame, I can see that the market is an uptrend. So let's draw our trend line. All right, this is a pullback. This is a pullback is when market gives a strong movement to the upside or downside. In the case of this example, market moves strongly towards the upside, so it's expected that the market will come back and sell before continuing the direction and perhaps take this high again. So this is a pullback that we are seeing. Now we need to look for buy opportunities. All right, so how do you look for buy opportunity? As a smart money trader, this is trend line trading. As a smart money trader, we are not expected to just buy, take our position here. You expected the market to break out of this, give us wick from on this trend line. Maybe the market will pierce this trend line a little bit, give us wick. So let's wait for the market to do that. So what I'm going to do is to draw a line. Yeah, that seems to be like a support and resistance zone. All right, so we expect that the market will now the market this is the market looking for liquidity to clear. These are all liquidity grabbing method. You see market ranging is ranging right now on this zone. This is ranging close to the trend line. It's ranging almost on the trend line here. You see what is happening? The market, they are trying to get the liquidity of the market. Market makers are trying to get liquidity here. So it means that this market will still buy up to this level, perhaps clear this liquidity. After this liquidity has been swept, and then that's when we'll now look for buy opportunities and drive the market. If this liquidity is being swept, then I will now look for a fair value gap, maybe 30 minutes fair value gap to look for an entry below this liquidity. This is liquidity that been formed here, so expect that the market, this liquidity will be cleared. I'm not buying here, it's too late. Otherwise, it's too late to buy there. All right, so if you are trading this market V51S, you need to exercise patience, because this market may still come down here, although everything is not certain. This is other problem. I'm analyzing it based on what I understand about the market, based on experience, right? So we expect the market to come and clear this liquidity. After clearing this liquidity, then we'll look for buy opportunity, or the market will do something again for us to make an attempt to buy. It's hard to clear this high. If it doesn't come down to clear that liquidity, then the market has to clear this high. Excuse me. Then the market has to clear this high, this particular high here. If it breaks out of this high and then come back to retest with a fair value gap, then we'll look for buy opportunity. If you clear this particular high, all right, comes back with a fair value gap, because all these clear this up, you're going to give us a fair value gap. If it's clearing this high, it will give us a fair value gap. So if it comes back to retest or give us a fair value gap coming back, we're going to look for a buy. If we clear this and give us a fair value gap, then we're going to look for the market to buy. So for now, we are still watching this market. So this is how you trade. You just look at the market on a higher time frame perspective. You look at for key levels. So in this scenario, this is the key level here. This is liquidity area. This is liquidity area. These are liquidity areas. So you look at for opportunities on those liquidity areas and wait for market to get to those places, and then react on market to sweep those liquidities before you think about buying or selling. So I hope you understand this video. If you have not joined the La Prinzo World Academy, try and chat me up. Join the academy. Use the link on the bio and create your own Deriv account. We've seen people who knew nothing, absolutely nothing about trading, but today they're making money after joining the academy. So guys, I wish you success. Don't give up on yourself, guys.